Good evening, one and all. Government of India, Ministry of Defense, given the various types of medical and non-medical positions at South India. ECHS cell headquarters Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Sub area invites the application to be engage the medical and paramedical and non-medical staff on contractual basis in a period of 12 months for ESMS and widows of deceased soldiers and 11 months for the civil candidates at given location of ECHS polyclinics in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So the posts are medical specialist. For this eligibility is MD and MS general medicine. The salary was 1,30,000. Vacancies was 2. Location of the vacancies was Gidaluru at Ongole and Guntur district at Andhra Pradesh. Medical officer MBBS rank, they are providing 95,000. Number of post was 5. Chittoor 2, Guntur 1, Karimnagar 1, Secunderabad 2. The dental officer BDS qualification 95,000. Number of positions are 4. Anantapur, Giddaluru, Kadapa and Secunderabad 2. The dental technician hygienist 36,500. Number of positions are 10. Anantapur, Chittoor, Golconda, Guntur, Kadapa, Khammam, Mahabubnagar, Nellore, Secunderabad and Vijayawada. Pharmacist B pharmacy or 10 plus 2 science with diploma in pharmacy is required. 36,500. Number of positions is 5. Vacancy Eluru, Gidaluru, Kurnool, Secunderabad and Sainikpuri. Lab technician BSc nursing BSc medical lab technology with 10 plus 2 science diploma and medical lab technology. 36,500. Number of vacancies is 6. Chitturu, Eluru, Gidaluru, Kadapa, Kurnool and Nellore. Lab assistant DMLT class 1 lab tech course in armed forces 36,500. Number of positions is 4. Gidaluru, Gunduru, Secunderabad and Sainikpuri. Nursing assistant BSc nursing GNM diploma class nursing assistant course certified from the armed forces 36,500. Number of positions is 5. Eluru, Gunturu, Khammam, Nellore, Secunderabad. Physiotherapist diploma or class 1 physiotherapist course should be in armed forces 36,500. Number of positions is 2. Chitturu and Gunturu. Data entry operator graduate class 1 clerical trade post is 29,200 salary providing. Number of positions is 1. Secunderabad. A female attendant literate 21,800. Number of positions is 8. Gidaluru, Golconda, Karimnagar, Khammam, Kurnool, Nellore, Secunderabad and Sainikpuri. Chaukidar 8th class GD Trade Armed Forces 21,800. Number of positions is 4. Chitturu, Gidaluru, Kadapa and Vijayawada. Driver 8th class 1 heavy driver should be required. 26,500. Golconda, Kurnool, Secunderabad, Vijayawada. Safai wala literate 21,800. Number of positions is 4. Gunturu, Kurnool, Nellore, Vijayawada. Peon 8th class with GD trade 21,800. Number of positions is 1. Vijayawada. Please read the all instructions carefully. For terms and condition application form and remuneration for qualification, work experience and age limit kindly see in the website www.echs.gov.in. Application form can be downloaded from the website under the employment opportunities. For additional details, contact numbers, telephone number given and email ID ECHS TN headquarters Secunderabad @gmail.com. During the work hours, preference will be given ex-servicemen as per the merit. Last date of recipient application as per the given hours is Indian standards. Application format along with self-attached photocopies, testimonials and education qualification with mark sheet, work experience, registration certificates, discharge book and PPO will be submitted to officer in charge station headquarters ECHS cell headquarters Tasa near the Rashtrapati Nilayam, Secunderabad 500010 pin code, Telangana, by 29 March 2026 by 6 o'clock. The application issued after 29 March will not be accepted. Online application will not be accepted. Written test come interview, date, timing, venue, dates, time of written test will be limited. Acceptable application through mail only. So this information is very useful, friends. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.